Good day everyone, welcome back to another video. Just before we get into this, I'd like to thank you yet again for another 100 subscribers. We're on 500, so that's a really big, nice round number, so thank you for that support. And now for the challenge. So I'm actually responding to Gary Brown's challenge of phone holder 2021, I think is what it's called. And that's basically a desktop phone holder, so you can sit your phone up vertically so you can see it. So I'm doing that, giving it a go. I'll put a link to Gary's channel and the video in the description so you can check it out. And yeah, I tried a lot of new skills and techniques in this project. It went somewhat okay, but I learned a lot, so what more can you ask for? Let's get into it. Okay, so there it is everyone, all finished up. Unfortunately I couldn't show you any shots with the actual phone on the phone stand. That's because I film all my videos actually with my phone, so that can't really work. But anyway, it is functional. It's not great, it doesn't look the best, not the cleanest forging or anything like that, but I think the general gist of it is there. If you guys have any feedback or help on how I can make kind of the split cuts cleaner, that would be really appreciated, because I did it and I obviously did it with an angle grinder and everything, but pretty messy and had quite a few cold shots and that type of thing like that. So any feedback on that would be greatly appreciated. With that said, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.